Okay, let me introduce our group project. This is our team. This part is contents. The first part is knowledge sharing. Let me introduce. What is knowledge sharing? Knowledge sharing is a process of exchanging information, skills, and among individuals, teams, departments, or organizational. It involves communicating and disseminating knowledge in a way that others can access, understand, and use effectively. Let me introduce the exam. At Alibaba, knowledge sharing is a highly institutionalized and technologized, mainly reflected into the major methods of team talk, document collaborations, and middle plan for strategy. In their daily work, employees use daily talk document to record meeting minutes, project reviews, option plans, and other content, and use forms deposit them into the company internal knowledge base. The company has a special knowledge office role, which is responsible for organizing and classifying content to ensure that knowledge is sustainable and reasonable. And sometimes Alibaba also implements their middle plan strategy, which generate capabilities such as data analysis, use products and model into shared service for use by different businesses such as Taobao and Ele.me. This breaks the no-language island and improves organizational learning capability and business collaboration efficiency. The next part is how to achieve knowledge sharing. The first, corroborate an open and organizational culture. Established an atmosphere that encourages the free flow of knowledge, reduce information and physical supplies to retain knowledge. That employee understand that sharing knowledge will not only not damage personal view, but will enhance the competitiveness of the entire team and the company. The next is build an efficient knowledge management and collaboration platform. Choose technology tools such as internal wiki, language-based enterprise social platform like Talk and so on to ensure that knowledge can be easily entered, written, and updated. The platform should support content and collaborative learning. The next is clean the process and standards for knowledge sharing. Established language creations, reviews, and maintenance process to ensure the accuracy and thin lines of knowledge content. Established a knowledge classification systems to the quick search and review. The last one is create turning and showing activities. Regular hold internal turnings and prize showing sessions, special signal and launch and learning sessions. Promote knowledge transfer through the mountains, new employee turning and cross-departmental exchanges. That's all.
I want to talk about knowledge management. First, enhance enterprise competitiveness through knowledge management. Hire has effective integrated resource, enhancing its product innovation capabilities and market response speed. Promote continuous innovation. The knowledge management system of Hire Group enables employees to share and apply knowledge, thereby promoting continuous innovation in products and service. The knowledge management practice of Hire optimize process management. Hire has simplified its internal process of introducing a knowledge management system, thereby enhancing decision-making efficiency and response speed. Strengthening employee training. Hire regularly holds knowledge sharing meetings and conducts online training to enhance the skills of its employees, thereby improving the overall work efficiency. The value proposition of knowledge management. User participation in innovation. Hire advocates that users should be involved in the product design and improvement process by leveraging user feedback. It conducts rapid iterations to achieve the creation and application of knowledge. Open innovation culture. The higher group has implemented an open innovation culture within the organization, encouraging employees to collaborate across departments, breaking down knowledge silos and creating an effect. Knowledge sharing incentive mechanism. The hire has established a knowledge sharing incentive program to encourage employees to actively share their knowledge, thereby enhancing the overall level of knowledge within the organization. Knowledge management training system. Hire regularly provides knowledge management training for its employees to ensure they acquire the necessary knowledge management skills and tools. Knowledge management evaluation and feedback. Hire has established a system of evaluating and the effectiveness of knowledge management. Through regular feedback and adjustment, it's continuously optimized the knowledge management process.
Hi, I'm Zhao and I'm going to discuss two key areas of our course, the knowledge accounts model and action learning, plus how managers close knowing doing gaps using both financial and non-financial metrics. First, knowledge accounts model. The knowledge accounts model springs from the knowledge-based view of the film, which holds that a company's most criteria assets are its people's knowledge rather than its machines or buildings. Intellectual capital frameworks then assign values to those assets, measuring investments in training, patents, or expertise. K. Jules Deber, it quantifies an individual's tacit knowledge, the know-how in their heads that isn't written down, by checking how often expertise insights are reused, cited, or incorporated into new projects. Organizations can visibility into the hidden drivers of innovation. And for example, during my internship at a financial service firm, the senior analytics held weekly insight sessions where they shared troubleshooting stories. The company logged those sessions in an internal portal and checked with which cases were assessed most often. So over the 3 months, my mentor's troubleshooting guide became the most viewed document, and he received a special performance bonus tied to our key metrics. And the second I want to talk about is the action learning. Action learning is the learning by doing process. Small teams tackle a real problem, reflect on the outcomes, and then adjust their approach. This circle not only solves the pressing issues but also embedded new knowledge into daily work, directly addressing the knowing doing gap. And for example, like you can imagine a marketing team tasked with improving leads conversions. Instead of attending a generic training course, do a 2-week pilot, test 3 email campaigns, meet daily to discuss results and iterate messages in real time. As they learn what resonates, conversion rates rise, and the team internalize those tactics for future learning. Finally, I want to talk about how to close the knowing doing gap with metrics from the financial measures or from the non-financial measures. About the financial measures, ROI on KM initiatives, cost savings from reduced errors, and non-financial measures, customer satisfaction scores, problem resolution times, and the governance benchmarks. And in my firm, after the insight sessions, we tracked errors rates on next month's reports. A 15% drop correlated with our action learning pilots, and that improvement was featured in our monthly governance dashboard. Thank you for listening.